Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update contentful environments for safer release deployments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update contentful environments for safer release deployments, begin by logging into your Contentful account. Navigate to the space you wish to update. On the left sidebar, locate the Environments section. Click on it to view the list of your existing environments. Identify the environment you want to update. To create a new environment for testing, click the Add Environment button. This will ensure your main production environment remains unaffected during updates. Name your new environment clearly to indicate its purpose. Once the environment is created, select it from the list. You will now find yourself in the newly created environment. Next, go to the Content section in the sidebar. Review the existing content to see what needs updating or testing. If necessary, duplicate existing entries for safe testing. Make your desired content updates within this environment. After making changes, you can preview them to ensure everything appears correct. Once satisfied with your updates, proceed to the Settings section. Here, you can manage your environment's access levels for different team members. Adjust permissions as needed to maintain security and control. When ready, it's time to deploy your changes. Return to the Environments section and select your production environment. Choose the option to merge with your updated test environment. Contentful will guide you through the merging process. Review the merge summary to confirm all changes are as intended. After reviewing, click the Merge button to finalize the update. Your production environment is now safely updated with the latest content changes. Remember to continuously monitor the environment for any issues post-deployment. Regular updates can help maintain a smooth workflow for your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.